Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chase Heit. I'm a data research analyst for a small organization. We have about 50 members in total. And currently I'm leading the efforts to integrate AI. And I'm also doing this while maintaining all my previous responsibilities. And just 3 years ago, I was a scientist that was pipetting pretty much 8 hours a day, running it through experiments, and I had little to no technical experience, especially when it came to computers. And then I made this shift going from being a scientist to wanting to just focus on data and analytics. And then AI comes out. And so by the time I made the shift, I was already working full time, and it's really tough to really learn this technology while you're working a full-time job with your own responsibilities and balancing learning that technology, unless you have no life and you want to spend all your free time doing it, which I respect if you do. But this channel is the goal of this channel is to hopefully help with that, because it is tough learning it and also applying that to your job. A lot of the videos I see, they're great videos, but they're so technical. A lot of them come down to coding and stuff like that. So I wanted to create a channel that gives specific use cases. It goes over them in detail. And then not only that, I want to give videos that give my experience with it. That experience being integrating it into an organization, and also navigating all of the security and privacy risk that come along with that. So currently how I'm using it, it's completely changed my workflow, especially when it comes to data analytics and Excel sheets. I use it pretty much for everything. I juggle between the three main platforms, and I've been experimenting with the other platforms. And I use it from document creation, ways to help me create training videos. My job right now is we're in a small organization. I'm the only person in my position and the most with technical experience. So I'm doing everything from training videos to creating infographics for brochures and websites, maintenance, and just pretty much anything you can think of, whether it's adopting AI like AI note takers, AI chatbots. So you can kind of expect all of those tools, all those videos, or all the videos I make to be about that. And AI is not the most reliable, and it continues to get better, and it's going at a lightning fast speed. So this channel is not only to help other people, but it's also to keep me dedicated to improving on this technology and continuing to learn and giving that knowledge to other people. So if that sounds useful or interesting to you, then feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be posting almost every week, maybe even at a higher frequency of that. They will be short videos that focus on specific use cases with different platforms. And then just some of it will just be my thoughts on AI and how to integrate it and stuff like that. Awesome. Thank you guys.